Instagram has released its new feature for DMs, which is called Instagram Blends. In this video, I will tell you how you can use Instagram Blend feature on DMs and invite and join your friends and everything about Instagram Blend new update. So let's get started. First of all, guys, nearly 1 year ago, I have shared video about Instagram Blend update, and finally Instagram has released its official feature nearly 2 days ago. How does Instagram Blend feature work for DMs? First of all, guys, as we all know that we saw so many reels and enjoy so many reels on our session and our friend session and share with our friends and in a group and via DM. So make this process more easier and convenient. So Instagram introduced this blend feature. You can watch and share reels suggested on your friend feed or your multiple friend feed. Without wasting time, let's jump on Instagram. So as you can see, I am on my official page. If you guys want to follow me, then please you can follow me. First thing, how you can turn on blend feature. So you both are following each other, and second most important thing, you don't have much interaction between both accounts. After that, jump on the DM section, and as you can see, there is a top option left side on call button. Tap on it, and here you can see join blend with hyper social. Each other reels suggested, new reel based on the chat, invitation only, and just click on join. After that, clicking on join, as you can see here, you can see I just joined blend where I can see a reel listed for you and hyper social. So this feed is only for me and that friend. So if I want to react on this feed, simply I just react, and after reacting on it, it just sent in the DM. Reels are in my DM. Most important thing, if you want to leave a blend, so simply click on top right corner and just leave this blend and leave, and here you just leave this blend so you can enjoy reels and share it with your friends. I hope you can understand. Still, if you have any query, leave a comment below. Make sure to like this video and make sure to subscribe the channel. I will catch you in the next one.